In its entirety, the all-new Valo JJ1 Velcro takes skate design to the next level, yet again setting the industry standard in innovation with the Velcro 3 strap system. The Velcro 3 strap system allows you to quickly put on and take off the skate while providing consistent support with no slip. The JJ1 Velcro also includes the memory lock buckle, supplying the best support and comfort every time you put on your skates. For the first time ever, the Valo skate comes complete with an all-new frame and all-new Julio Pro wheel. The Valo team frames include angled sidewalls for less friction and smoother grinds, rugged 8mm hardware, wood grain frame detail adding to Valo's signature style. To ensure the highest quality products, the JJ1 Velcro is fully designed and tested by owner and pro skater Julio. Essentially, what we're trying to say here at Valo is we've created the hottest skate on the market. Valo for life.